Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy Fishing with Gopro 509. I'm out here at the Puyallup. See if we catch anything. It's morning time. Any luck?
Not for me.
Not for you?
Everybody else.
That's how it is. So, let's see if we catch anything. This time I have a long leader. Where's everybody at? I don't see nobody. Is the river open here? I see people over there. I'm just gonna catch one fish and go home. I mean, not go home, but just give my fish away to my mother-in-law because she wants fish. She wants to make a ceviche. So I'm just gonna catch one fish today, and then tomorrow my limit. But where the heck is everybody at? Oh, I see some right here. All right, let's go. Fishing time. Yep. There it is. I was thinking of fishing right here. Right there, and then just fish right there. You get snacks right here, so just one fish today, and then tomorrow I'll catch all my limits. So let's go. So this is what I'm using, because some people saying that it's better for me to show my setup. So I got this weight right here. I'm using braided line, blue. So this is my setup. I have it like that. And then I got blue braided line, 30-pound test line, like this. Then I have fishing line. I think it's carbon. I don't know. I have like, I don't know. People are telling me 8 feet, so I didn't put 8 feet because my fishing pole is like 9 foot. I'll say like 4, 5. Yeah, 5 feet. Because the fishes don't see these hooks. We're flossing because it's too dark. And then this is what I have. Just a size 2 hook, I think. And then a corky. Because my uncle was telling me that we're just flossing. They're not actually eating it. So we're just flossing them. Because the water's like the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. So let's see if we catch one, at least one. People are right there. I don't know why they're not here. If it's snagging or what. Alright, let's get it. 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 Nobody's fishing under the dock. I mean, under the bridge, because if you go under the bridge, there's a big old log under there. There's a big old log under there. You lose them. I lost like 20, 25 lures last time I came. So let's see how it is over here. And then people are over here. And then there's people, a lot of people over there from Solo. I just want to catch one today to give it to my mother-in-law because she wants to make ceviche. Alright, get back at you. I ain't catching none. I lost one hook. There's a stump over there too, right here. Look at it, there's a fish right here. Just chilling. Look at him. You can see the dark. He's like right here somewhere. People are catching them upstream though. There's not that much powerful current. I have to throw under the tree way over there. I have to throw under the tree. See, look at, I'm gonna hit him, watch. There's a lot of them. A lot of them are already dying here. They're already dying. I seen like 5 already right there where I was at. It smells bad though. People are just catching them left and right up. Right here. I'll just stay on my own. Look at him, you can see him right there. The dark, like right there. Come on, fish. Just one fish, one fish. I was gonna catch one and then drop her off. Drop off the fish so we can make ceviche. The pinks are good for ceviche. That's what I'm targeting on. But I'm not catching them. They're mostly up the river. Right here where everybody's at. They're catching them. Trying to throw it like way over there by that current. Cause all we're doing is just flossing. Fishes don't bite. I bite the hook. Cause the fish are like on the current. They're on the current and they're just opening their mouth. The line's going through their mouth. Or sometimes you get like the hook going into their mouth. And you seem like they're biting it. They're not. The water's too dirty here. So we're just flossing. I know people are like, no, they're not. Like, you think the fish is gonna see you in this dirty ass water? Dun, dun, dun. Come on, fishes. Oh yeah, they're catching them right there. They're catching them right there. Look at way over there. It's because the current's going faster over there. And they're mostly over there by the rocks. The fish is still right there. Fish on, boys. Fish on. I'm about to snag this when I was rolling it in. Yeah, boy. Finally. Finally. Yep. I snagged this one. It's a humpy. I got me a humpy, boys. I think the humpies got to throw them back. Yeah, the humpies, you gotta throw them back. Oh, so I'll take off the hook right now. If I could find it. Oh, there it is. No, don't move, you're throwing me dirt. Come on. Yeah. God play. I'll be back. Finally, boys. Finally. After an hour. Seen that jump, boys? Yes. After an hour. Let's go. Look at that jump, boys. Found that on